Picture this. The sun is blazing, your playlist is perfect, and everyone's heads turn as you stroll by. Introducing the Vero P4 Polarized Sunglasses. They aren't just shades, they're your vibe switch. Feel that instant cool, zero glare, and total confidence. Ever find yourself squinting in glare? With these lenses, goodbye squinting. They cut through glare, make colors pop, and help you see every detail. Imagine witnessing the sunrise over the river, sharp and clear. That's the crystal vision you'll get. Now, picture this. You're at the lake, rod in hand, sun reflecting off the water. Those TAC polarized lenses keep the fish visible and your shades scratch-free. And with UV400 protection, your eyes are shielded from harmful rays while you chase the day. These shades are ultra-light with a TR90 frame, feeling weightless yet secure. They grip tight during any activity. Whether you're racing through the city or relaxing lakeside, it's street to shoreline. We're putting these sunglasses to the real-world test today. Glare challenge check, drop test check, and style check coming up. Hit that like if you're ready to upgrade your sunglasses game. Why choose Vero P4? Their matte black design blends style with performance, perfect for hustlers and weekend adventurers alike. One pair, endless possibilities, from city streets to dockside sunsets. Don't miss out on the experience. Click the link below to grab your Vero P4 Polarized sunglasses and elevate your game. Transform your outdoor experience now.